There are 26 letters in English alphabet. 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. In English, we have capital and lowercase letters. For example, this is capital A, this is lowercase a, this is capital B, this is lowercase b, this is capital C, this is lowercase c, this is capital D, this is lowercase d. So every letter has a capital and lowercase letter. Capital letters. Lowercase letters. Was listen and speak. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is also called G. Listen and repeat. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, P, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is also called G. 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U, Y. Sometimes it is used as a vowel. It is called semi-vowel. What is this? This is D. What is this? This is B. What is this? This is E. What is this? This is F. What is this? This is H. What is this? This is A. What is this? This is J. What is this? This is L. What is this? This is C. What is this? This is K. What is this? This is M. What is this? This is P. What is this? This is G. What is this? This is Q. What is this? This is O. What is this? This is S. What is this? This is N. What is this? This is R. What is this? This is W. What is this? This is U. What is this? This is T. What is this? This is V. What is this? This is X. What is this? This is Y. What is this? This is Z. Very good. Find out vowels. Excellent. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe.